Habis. Habis.
Look at this powerful hailstorm pounding Munich, creating a terrifying scene. On May 4th, a devastating flood swept through the town of Montebello, carrying entire houses with it. Check out this intense footage of a tornado ripping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas, leaving destruction in its wake.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
A few years ago, a catastrophic flood struck Kerala, India, causing widespread devastation. Watch as the massive chaparral fire in Murrieta, California, rapidly spreads across 1,400 acres in August 2021. Firefighters worked tirelessly to control the blaze.
Watch as this golfing robot smashes the ball hundreds of yards with jaw-dropping power and perfect precision. Out of nowhere, an elephant storms through the street, flipping bikes and scattering people. It's pure chaos, but thankfully, no one is hurt.
Oh my God! Oh my God, yeah!
In a rare sight, soft hail falls across the highway, creating a winter-like scene in the desert.
Хотели помочь, чем можем. На вот две скинами так. Тяжелая. Целая семья.
On the frozen coastline of Kamchatka, Russia, a group of beluga whales washes ashore, trapped by harsh environmental conditions, with locals doing all they can to rescue them. Watch this incredible time-lapse video of rolling shelf clouds sweeping over Barcelona Beach, Spain, a breathtaking display of nature's raw power. A sudden rock slide crashes down onto a road in Turkey. Workers and drivers rush for safety as rocks and dust cover the road within seconds. A horse tries to jump but loses balance and lands hard on its neck. For a moment, everyone thought it was gone, but miraculously, it got back up.
Watch the terrifying moments as a massive earthquake hits Vanuatu, Oceania. The ground shakes violently, sending waves through swimming pools and causing widespread destruction. Chaos and panic unfold in an instant. Oh my God, this house was destroyed in just a few seconds.
Look at that.
Watch as massive hailstones pour down in Carolina during a wedding ceremony, turning a peaceful outdoor setting into chaos. Cars, tables, and the ground are pounded by these icy blasts, showing just how unpredictable nature can be. Look at this terrifying moment as a 7.1 magnitude earthquake shakes Nepal and Bihar. The streets tremble, vehicles lose balance, and chaos erupts, capturing the raw force of nature in real time. An intense wildfire sweeps through California, painting the sky with fiery hues and showcasing nature's raw power. So let's get started. I can't believe my eyes. It looks so unusual and intriguing.
Vaya. Ay. Y así son millones y millones y millones de arañas.
How amazing this lighting strike falls on Maca Clock Tower. Check out the powerful hurricane that rushes through the town in just minutes.
We got a spout. Holy shit. Look at that. The chairs are flying. The cabanas are flying. Oh my goodness. Everything.
¿Te imaginas que querían quemar esto y le ha salido mal?
According to a tree expert at the Australian National University, the white fluff you see on the ground is actually a mass of tiny fibers designed to carry poplar seeds with the wind. Even a gentle breeze can send them drifting far from the parent tree. As shown in this video, these fibers are also highly flammable.
This is the rock.
That was a goodie.
A person discovered a peculiar rock that appears There is a substantial amount of natural gas available here. A surprising discovery on the water. While navigating a lake, a fisherman spotted something unusual floating. As he got closer, he realized it was a spider monkey struggling to stay afloat. These incredible creatures, known for their long limbs and prehensile tails, are expert tree climbers, but poor swimmers. Thankfully, the fisherman successfully reached his destination, safely bringing the monkey to land.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I got that on video!
Aiuto, 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 aiuto. Scappa, lascia la macchina. Il fiume è uscito il fiume. Disastro. Disastro, disastro. Non c'è più nulla da fare. Porta via tutto, tutto e tutti. Questo è quello che vedi. Gente che cade. Il pullman da solo viene ad aiutare.
Parte ahora. Saca el avión. Saca el
Oh, les voitures et tout. Oh, j'ai tout filmé. Oh putain.
This stunning footage captures a rare sight in Tabuk, Saudi Arabia, where a river of hail flows across the desert landscape. This is sea foam, formed when waves, wind, or tides stir the water, causing air to mix with it and create bubbles. Back in 2019, a massive landslide occurred in China, leaving behind a path of destruction. Back in 2011, a massive tsunami struck Japan, with powerful waves covering vast areas and leaving widespread devastation in its wake.
He's fat too.
I've had to pull over to get out of the car. It's at the Hyatt to see this. Someone has bubble bathed the fountain. I've literally pulled over, parked the car at the Hyatt to get out and see this.
Unbelievable. A headless fish casually swims around. A fascinating glimpse into the mysteries of nature and the wonders of creation.